If you want to know what are collective nouns and how to use collective nouns in the sentences, even in the mixed way, then this video is for you. Hello and greeting to all you language learning lovers. I'm Puya Feyzagay and on my YouTube channel English to Sesud, which means English in 3 vessels, I'll teach you all the grammar in the simple language in the most complete and concise way. So if you are looking for such educational content, be sure to follow me on YouTube. So what are collective nouns? Some English words talk about a group of people, animals, or even things, but the word itself is singular. These are called collective nouns. For example, a family, a flock of birds, a football team, a class of students. Family, flock, team, class all refers to multiple people or animal or things, but these words are singular. In English, collective nouns are usually singular. For example, when we say the jury is sitting in the hall, jury refers to a group of judges, but the word itself is singular, so we use is, not are. So how to use collective nouns in sentences? Here is the tricky part. In American English, collective nouns are singular, but in British English, collective nouns can be plural. For example, American people say the team is happy, but British people say the team are happy. So Americans see the group as one unit, but British people see the group as many members. There is also another way. We call this mixed way is optional. In this way, if you want, when you speak about the group as one, use singular, but when you speak about the members, use plural. For example, when we talk about the whole family as a single group, we say the family is large. Here we treat the family as one unit. But when we want to show that there are many individuals within family, so we say the family are talking to each other. Here we mean the family members are talking. There are multiple people. But this is confusing for beginners, so I suggest you follow only American or only British style. How to use the word jury, a group of people deciding a court case, with verbs like has or have. In the US, you almost always treat jury as one single unit. So you'd say the jury has made a decision, using has a singular verb. But in the UK, it's more common to think of the jury as individual people with their own options. So you might say the jury have made different decisions using have a plural verb. Important points. Google Translate usually uses American English rules. In tests like IELTS or at UK universities, you might see British English usage. So, in the main difference is whether you are thinking of the jury as a single group or as a multiple individual. So, how about using members? To make it clear, you can use the word members. With members, we always use plural verbs are and have. For example, the team members are happy. The jury members have different opinions. The family members are sitting around the table. So if you use members, no confusion. Always plural. So let's have a summary. Collective nouns are one word, but it means many people, animals, or things. American English use singular verb like is or has. British English use plural verbs like are and have. If you use members, always use plural like are and have. In conclusion, you are now familiar with collective nouns in English. I trust that this information has been beneficial to you. Should you wish to support my work, you have the option to make a contribution by buying me a coffee. I wish you success in all your endeavors.